everybody. Today we got another fun adventure for you. We're taking the rally fighter up to the Mojave Desert, up to the lava tubes. We're gonna go check out the lava tubes, see what they're like, and hopefully find some other adventure. We've got a long ass drive ahead of us, but it is what it is, and it'll be fun. Another nice day to have the rally fighter out, which it's always a nice day here in Southern California. Hey guys, we're here in the Mojave Desert Preserve, and we just got to a little place. It's a pull-off, getting ready to go back in towards the lava tubes, and it's got all kinds of amazing scenery and stuff. It is fairly busy. We got some people out here on dirt bikes and stuff. I don't know if you can see them. Hey guys, we made it to the lava tube trail, but there's like two different trailheads. There's a parking lot back there somewhere, and that's where we parked, but there's this little road that we're walking on. And I don't know if I'm actually allowed to drive on it or not, but I think that there might be another place up here to park, but then Kayla told me not to drive on it. So since we don't know if we can or not, we're just walking in. Hey guys, we made it down into the cave. Over here is where the little light beam comes down in. That's kind of what this place is famous for, and it's really nifty looking. Hey guys, we're here at Kelso Dune. It's on our way back home from the lava tubes. It's kind of nifty. It's over here somewhere. And Kayla thinks we're walking to the top. I told her I'd go to the top if I could drive there. But yeah, so we're walking out through the desert here and just kind of heading up towards the dune, gonna get a little closer, take some more pictures and junk. And
shoot, I almost stepped on that little thing. You see it? Little sandy lizard?
I see the little sandy lizard. Kayla tried to kill that little fella. He's obviously not too afraid of people. Anywho, we're just continuing along, kind of aimlessly wandering, and when we're done here, we're gonna start heading back towards home. We still have a long drive ahead of us to get to home, so we might make another stop or two. We aren't sure yet. We might stop someplace for dinner. It's 3 o'clock now, and we probably have another 2.5 hours ahead of us. Hey guys, I got a couple quick announcements for you. So after this video, I won't be posting up any more of our travel adventures on this channel. That's gonna go to a new channel. I wanna keep this channel more just for, the car, driving the car around and that kind of stuff. Now the big trip we're taking with the car in April, that will still be on this channel because it's gonna be about taking the car across the country. For the new channel for that stuff, it's gonna be M&K Adventures. I'll put it up here on the screen. And then for Kayla's pole fitness stuff, she's kind of wanting to try that out, see how that goes. And so we've got her a new channel too, and it's going to be under Lily Jade's Pole Fitness, I think is what we decided on. I'll put that up here too. And Lily Jade is her stage name when she's done competitions, if you're wondering where that came from. But other than that, those are the main quick changes we're going to be doing to the channel here. And I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and come again.